Hello, sir.
Everything good?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubts on the last class?
No.
All right. You completed the assignment you got?
Oh, yeah, yes. Which
Okay.
assignment? You mean the homework, right?
Yes, homework.
Yeah.
Next topic is composition of function or composite function. All right. What is composite function? Suppose there is a function from A to B. There is a function G from B to C. Then what we say G of f of x. This is also written as like this. This is called composite function. All right. The output of f of x is being given as the input of g of x, right?
Yes, sir.
Very simple. The range or the codomain becomes here input. But you have to understand this. This must be the case, right? The range of f must be a subset of domain of g, right? Whatever output is there from f, g must be able to take that as input. This is composite function. For an example, if you have f of x equals to x square and g of x equals to 2 to the power x, then g of f of x will be 2. Instead of x, we are putting f of x, so x square. Same, we can calculate f of g of x. So f of x is x to the power 2. So instead of x, we are going to put g of x. So 2 to the power x, 2 to the power 2x. All right, this is called composite function. Hello, Aditya.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. We started about composite functions. All right. So if two functions f and g are there, then composite function is g of f of x. One thing to notice, range of f, the first function, must be a subset of domain of g, right? Because the range is being put as the input of g. This is one example for this. All right. There is a question from JEE Mains in this topic. Let f be R to R be a function defined by f of x equals to 2 1 minus x to the power 25 upon 2 2 plus x to the power 25 whole brackets 1 upon 50. If the function g of x equals to f of x f of x plus f of x, the greatest integer function and the greatest integer less than or equals to g of 1 is that. All right. So this question, of course, is from composite function. So first, let's try to calculate this function f of x. Let's try to simplify this. This is 2. We can take LCM here. So this becomes 2 minus x to the power 25 upon 2. 2 plus x to the power 25, 1 to the power 50. So this is cancelled. And inside this is a minus b, a plus b. So 4 minus x to the power 50. This step is clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now f of x is this simplified. So let's calculate f of x. Can anyone tell me what will be f of x? Four minus, instead of x we are going to put f of x, and this is to the power 50. Right. We are going to write one intermediate step here just to be clear. Right, instead of x we are putting f of x. 4 minus, what was f of x? This whole thing is f of x. So 4 minus x to the power 50 whole to the power 1 upon 50 to the power 50, and this whole to the power 1 upon 50. Is it clear?
Yes.
सर एक बार ये
Alright.
स्टेप फिर से रिपीट कर दोगे f of x वाला?
बिल्कुल सही. देखिए हमारे पास ये 4 माइनस एफ ऑफ एक्स की पावर 50 है टू द पावर. यहाँ तक क्लियर है ना?
यस सर.
अब देखिए एफ ऑफ एक्स की वैल्यू हमें डालनी पड़ेगी ना. तो एफ ऑफ एक्स क्या है हमारे पास? यहाँ से देखिए इस इक्वेशन में एफ ऑफ एक्स की वैल्यू ये पूरी है.
यस.
तो मैंने कुछ भी नहीं करा, ये कांस्टेंट है, ये कांस्टेंट है, ये कांस्टेंट है, ये कांस्टेंट है, बस एफ ऑफ एक्स की जगह इस पूरे इक्वेशन को लिख दिया. तो क्या बन जाएगा? 4 माइनस ये कुछ का पावर 50 होल का पावर 1 अपॉन 50 है ना. तो ये कुछ की जगह हमने क्या लिख दिया? 4 माइनस एक्स की पावर 50 की पावर 1 अपॉन 50. अब आया समझे?
यस सर.
ठीक है. तो देखिए पहले ये पावर जो 50 है ये 1 अपॉन 50 है तो कट गया, एंड 4 माइनस 4 इज ऑल्सो कैंसल्ड, माइनस माइनस प्लस एक्स की पावर 50 की पावर 1 अपॉन 50. सो एफ ऑफ एक्स क्या आ गया हमारे पास? क्या एक्स आ गया? ये सबको क्लियर हुआ या एक दो स्टेप में लिख के समझा दूं मैं? आदित्य, प्रिया?
हो गया सर.
हो गया. ठीक. तो अब देखिए जी ऑफ एक्स क्या बोला है हमें. ये है एफ ऑफ एक्स प्लस एफ ऑफ एक्स. तो ये एफ ऑफ, इसके जगह हमने एक्स लिख दिया क्योंकि हमें पता है इसकी जगह एक्स ही आएगा, प्लस ये तो हमारे पास एक्स है. तो फंक्शन बहुत सिंप्लीफाइड हो गया कि एफ ऑफ एक्स प्लस एक्स. और हमें पूछा है ग्रेटेस्ट इनिशियल फंक्शन ऑफ जी ऑफ 1. क्या ग्रेटेस्ट इनिशियल फंक्शन पता है सबको क्या होते हैं?
यस.
ओके. तो ये एफ ऑफ 1 प्लस 1 का जीआईएफ. तो एफ ऑफ 1 कैलकुलेट करके देखते हैं हम. यहाँ रखेंगे 1 और एफ ऑफ एक्स हमारे पास और सिंप्लीफाइड वर्जन था. तो 1 की पावर 50, 1, 4 माइनस 1 3, 3 की पावर 1 अपॉन 50. क्या आप सोच के बता सकते हैं इसका जीआईएफ कितना निकल के आएगा? 3 की पावर 1 अपॉन 50 प्लस 1 का जीआईएफ.
वन.
1. कैसे पता हमें? इसकी वैल्यू क्या 1 से छोटी होगी या 1 से बड़ी होगी?
छोटी होगी.
1 से छोटी होगी. देखिए ऐसे सोचिए 1 की पावर 50 करेंगे तब भी हमें कितना मिलेगा? 1 ही मिलेगा, है ना.
यस.
1 से किसी भी छोटे नंबर का हम पावर अगर 50 करेंगे तो हमें 1 से छोटा नंबर मिलेगा.
यस.
लेकिन हमें कितना चाहिए? 3 चाहिए. तो 1 से तो बड़ा होना पड़ेगा ना.
यस सर.
ठीक है, लेकिन 2 से छोटा होगा, क्योंकि 2 की पावर 50 हमने कर दी तो वो बहुत ज्यादा हो जाती है, 3 हमको नहीं मिलता है। तो 1 से 2 के बीच में लाई करेगा ये नंबर। क्या हमें ये बात क्लियर हो गई?
यस सर।
Yes.
ठीक है, तो ये टोटल नंबर क्या मैं बोल सकता हूँ 2 से 3 के बीच में लाई करेगा?
Yes.
तो JIF कितना लाई करेगा? 2। बहुत ही क्लियर।
Yes.
यस सर।
ठीक है, अब एक क्वेश्चन 2 क्वेश्चन और करते हैं हम। 1 मिनट दीजिए मुझे, बस एक बार आपको राइट डाउन करना है तो राइट डाउन कर लीजिए क्वेश्चन। ठीक है, घर पे फिर से प्रैक्टिस करिएगा। डोमेन एंड रेंज ऑफ फंक्शन, ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है इसका। तो फ्यू डोमेन्स, आपको बेसिक चीजें अगर हो याद तो इजी हो जाता है। अगर अंडर रूट ऑफ एफ ऑफ एक्स गिवन है, ठीक है, तो हम कैसे डोमेन निकालेंगे? अंडर रूट के अंदर हमें कभी नेगेटिव नंबर नहीं चाहिए होता, so we'll always put f of x greater than equals to 0. ठीक है, and whatever the value of x you find from this, that will be the domain. Second one, if it is 1 upon under root f of x, तो हम 0 भी नहीं ले सकते, तो f of x will be strictly positive. Log of a base b, a must be positive, b must be positive, b cannot be equals to 1. ठीक है, a upon f of x अगर है तो f of x cannot be 0. प्लीज ये नोट डाउन कर लीजिए, फ्यू स्टेप्स होते हैं डोमेन निकालने के। whenever you see under root, always remember to make it positive. log में सब चीज पॉजिटिव होनी चाहिए, डिनोमिनेटर में कभी 0 नहीं आना चाहिए। ठीक है, इतनी बात समझ में आ गई मैं आदित्य?
Yes, sir.
ओके, रेंज निकालना मैंने लास्ट क्लास में बता दिया था आपको ना, कन्वर्ट करके जो निकालते हैं हम एक्स को वाई के टर्म्स में लिख के। एक क्वेश्चन कर भी लेंगे हम। क्या इवन ऑड फंक्शन पता है आपको?
Yes.
ऑलराइट, इवन ऑड फंक्शन इवन इज f of minus x equals to f of x, odd is f of minus x equals to minus of f of x. ये वन क्वेश्चन ट्राई करिए. If the functions are defined as f of x equals to root x, g of x equals to under root 1 minus x, then what is the common domain of the following functions? F of x plus g of x, f of x minus g of x, f of x upon g of x, g of x upon f of x. Option A is 0 less than x less than equals to 1, B is 0 less than equals to x less than 1, 0 less than equals to x less than equals to 1. Alright, आपको इन सब का कॉमन डोमेन निकालना है. And this is JEE Mains 2021. Very simple question. देखिए फर्स्ट वन f of x प्लस g of x, तो ये है अंडर रूट x प्लस अंडर रूट 1 minus x. Can anyone tell me the domain of this function?
Greater than 1, sir.
Greater than 1.
0 to 1.
0 to 1. All right, very good. See, Aditya, this function will put x is greater than 0 or greater than equal to 0.
Sir.
And this is 1 minus x is greater than equal to 0.
Yes.
So from here we are getting 0 to infinite, 0 included. And here we are getting x is less than 1. Right? So minus infinite to 1, 1 included. So this will be 0 to 1, both will be included or not included?
Included.
Included. Very good. Now f of x minus g of x. See, minus does not change anything. रूट के बाहर क्या हो रहा है उससे हमें मतलब नहीं है, अंदर तो वही चीजें डिफाइंड होंगी जो डिफाइंड होंगी. सो दिस विल बी सेम, राइट. f of x upon g of x, root x upon under root 1 minus x. Now here this is 0 to infinite, 0 included, but here 1 will not be included. क्योंकि आप 1 रखते ही नीचे 0 बन जाएगा. All right, the domain will be
Yes.
1 not included. ऐसे उल्टे में हम सोच के बोल सकते हैं कि 0 इंक्लूड नहीं होगा. तो इन सब का कॉमन डोमेन मतलब जो सबको खुश कर दे. ठीक है, यहाँ पर कह रहे हैं 0 भी इंक्लूड, 1 भी इंक्लूड, 0 भी इंक्लूड, 1 भी इंक्लूड, 1 नॉट इंक्लूड, 0 नॉट इंक्लूड. तो हम सबसे छोटे वाले को लेते हैं which is 0 and 1 not included. All right,
Yes, sir.
आदित्य क्लियर है ये?
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो वेरी सिंपल. बस थोड़ा हमें काम रह के काम करना होता है. एक क्वेश्चन और. Let f r from R we defined as f of x equals to 2x minus 1 and g is r minus 1 to r. We defined as g of x equals to x minus 1 by 2 upon x minus 1. Then f of g of x is, आपको बताना है ऑन टू है या ऑन वन है या क्या है, ठीक है। जितने कॉम्बिनेशन बनते हैं आप ऑप्शंस में सोच लो, 1 1 but not on to and so on. ठीक है, 2 मिनट्स खुद से करके देखिए। Okay, let's see. F of x is 2x minus 1, g of x is x minus half upon x minus 1. We have to find f of g. So let's do this. F of g of x is 2 times, instead of x we are going to put g of x, and g of x is this, x minus half upon x minus 1 minus 1. So this is 2x minus 1 upon x minus 1 minus 1, taking LCM, 2x minus 1 minus x plus 1 upon x minus 1. So this is x upon x minus 1. Is it clear?
It is 1 1.
Right, absolutely correct. This is 1 1 function. And is it on to?
We check it.
Okay. Absolutely correct answer, Priya. देखिए आदित्य, ऐसे क्वेश्चन में ज्यादा चेक करने की जरूरत हमें होती नहीं है। आप बस ये देख लीजिए, यहाँ पर हमारे पास को डोमेन क्या है, आर है ना, एंड क्योंकि एफ इज द आउटवर्ड फंक्शन तो इसका हमारे पास को डोमेन आर है। बट यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं एक्स की वैल्यू कभी भी 1 नहीं हो सकती,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है। अब यहाँ से भी थोड़ा अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं, बट अगर आपको प्रॉपर स्टेप करना ही है, आपको पता ही है ये वाई एक्स माइनस वाई इक्वल टू एक्स है, तो वाई एक्स माइनस एक्स इक्वल टू वाई, एक्स इक्वल टू वाई अपॉन वाई माइनस 1। यहाँ भी आप देख सकते हैं y की वैल्यू कभी 1 नहीं हो सकती, सो दिस इज नॉट 1 2। क्लियर?
Yes.
ओके, big question from the last class. Let z be the set of integers if a equals to x belongs to z such that 2 to the power x plus 2 x square minus 5x plus 6 equals to 1, and b equals to x belongs to z such that minus 3 less than 2x minus 1 less than 9, then number of subsets of the set A cross B is what? Option A is 2 to the power 15, B is 2 to the power 18, C is 2 to the power 12, and D is 2 to the power 10. 2 minutes for this also, very easy question. Correct answer, both of you. So I don't need to solve this.
No, sir.
All right. Let's solve a few more questions. All right, and all these questions are from JEE Mains. So I hope it is helping you build some confidence. If f of x equals to log of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x, mod x is less than 1, then f of 2x upon 1 plus x square is equals to dash. You have to simplify. If you want options, 2 of f of x, 2 f of x square, 2 of f of x whole square, minus 2 f of x. Right? Try to solve it on your own. Few minutes for this. No, Aditya, please check the calculation again. Let me solve this. f of x is log of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. We have to find f of 2x upon 1 plus x squared. So very simple, just put it here. 1 minus 2x upon 1 plus x squared upon 1 plus 2x upon 1 plus x squared. So this is log of 1 plus x square minus 2x upon, this will be cancelled, right? So I'm not writing that. 1 plus x square plus 2x, right? Log, this is x minus 1 whole square, this is x plus 1 whole square. So this is whole of square. So I can take 2 outside, log of x minus 1 upon 1 plus x. Alright, and this x minus 1 is interchangeable, right? Because this is square, so I can write 1 minus x also. So the same becomes f of x, 2 of f of x. Are these steps clear?
Yes, sir.
Right? So very simple, 2 of f of x, option A is the correct answer. Priya, is it clear?
Yes, sir. How did mod x become less than 1? Like in the condition? Why did they give that condition? Like in the question?
To satisfy the domain.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, that doesn't, like, not much relevance is there. They're just asking about domain. All right, next question. Let s equals to 1, 2, 3 till 100. The number of non-empty subsets A of S such that the product of elements in A is even, is dash. Let me solve this. How to solve? Does everyone understand the question?
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay. Okay. They are asking the questions about subset. So we know subset is 2 to the power m. But what is the condition here? They're saying this set of the number of non-empty subsets of A such that the product of any elements is even. So how many numbers are there from 1 to 100? How many elements are there?
100.
100, right? And how many even and odd elements are there? 50-50. And we have that in this information that if you multiply two even numbers, then the result will always be even. But if you multiply two odd numbers, then the result is always odd, right? Any other case, the result is even. So they are asking product of element is even. We have to find out the result should be even, right? But only in one case, the product is odd, which is all the odd numbers. So can I say the total number of subset will be 2 to the power 100? If I subtract this one, then I'll get the answer to this. Yes or no?
नहीं समझ रहा
Yes,
सर.
sir.
नहीं समझ में. देखिए, वो कह रहे हैं कि भाई हमारे पास ऐसे सबसेट्स होने चाहिए कि जिन दोनों भी हम मल्टीप्लाई करें, कोई भी दो नंबर, वो रिजल्ट क्या होना चाहिए? इवन होना चाहिए. ठीक है आदित्य?
सर
हमें ये समझ में आ गया कि भाई आप इवन इंटू ऑड करो तो इवन मिलता है, इवन इंटू इवन करो तो इवन मिलता है, ऑड इंटू इवन करो तो इवन मिलता है. बस ऑड इंटू ऑड करो तो हमें क्या मिलता है? ऑड मिलता है. ठीक है, तो हमने क्या बोला? हमने टोटल सबसेट्स निकाल लिए 100 एलिमेंट्स के साथ. ठीक है, तो वो क्या आ गया? टोटल नंबर ऑफ सबसेट्स 2 टू द पावर 100.
यस सर.
अगर मैं इससे ये केस निकाल दूं, ऐसे सबसेट्स जिसमें सिर्फ ऑड एलिमेंट्स हैं, तो क्या मुझे आंसर नहीं मिल जाएगा बाकी केसेस का?
यस सर.
तो यहाँ पर ऑड एलिमेंट्स कितने? 50, तो 2 टू द पावर 50 सारे सबसेट्स मैंने कैंसिल कर दिए. तो क्या ये आंसर आ जाएगा? यहाँ से हम 2 की पावर 50 कॉमन ले सकते हैं, तो the आंसर will be 251 minus 1. ठीक है,
यस.
ओके. वन मोर क्वेश्चन. If a plus alpha equals to 1, b plus beta equals to 2, and a f of x plus alpha f of 1 upon x is equals to bx plus beta upon x, where x is not equal to 0, then the value of the expression f of x f of 1 upon x whole divided by x plus 1 upon x is, right? Options are 2, 3, 4, 5. खुद से ट्राई करेंगे आप, और शुड आई सॉल्व दिस?
ट्राई कर.
ओके. Correct answer, Aditya. Priya, you solve this?
Sir, could you explain this?
Alright. See, in this type of questions, we only have to do one step. The question will be solved in most of the cases, not every case. Just replace x with 1 upon x. So what this becomes? This is a f of 1 upon x plus alpha times f of x equals to b upon x plus beta x. Right, Priya?
Yes, sir.
So if we add equation 1 and 2, we'll get a common, f of x plus f of 1 upon x plus alpha common, f of 1 upon x plus f of x, and here b common, x plus 1 upon x plus beta common, x plus 1 upon x. So this is, we can take common f of x plus f of 1 upon x, and here also taking common and throwing this side, so x plus 1 upon x, this will be b plus beta upon a plus alpha, and they have already given the values for this, right?
Yes, sir.
2 upon 1, which is 2. In this type of questions, always do this, you'll get the answer. Clear?
Okay.
One more question of this type. If f of x plus 2f of 1 upon x equals to 3x, where x is not equals to 0, and s equals to x belongs to R such that f of x equals to f of minus x, then s contains exactly 2 elements, more than 2 elements, empty set, 1 element. Alright, contains only 1 element. So please solve this. Just follow the same method, you will get the answer. No, Aditya, incorrect answer. C. F of x plus 2 of f of 1 upon x is 3x. Again, replacing x with 1 upon x, we will get f of 1 upon x is 2 of f of x equals to 3 upon x. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. So we have to find f of x. So very simply, I can multiply this with 2 and subtract 2 from 1, or 1 from 2. So this will be 4 f of x minus f of x is 3 f of x. This is cancelled. This will be equals to 6 upon x minus 3x. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's divide this 3 here. So f of x will be 2 upon x minus x. So we have got f of x. Now we can do everything. We are saying S is a set where f of x is equals to f of minus x. So if this is f of x, then f of minus x is minus 2 upon x plus x. They are saying this should be equal. So 2 upon x minus x is equals to minus 2 upon x plus x. So this implies this, taking this side, 4 upon x equals to 2x. We can say x square equals to 2. So x is equals to plus minus root 2. Aditya, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so x has 2 elements, 2 solutions. So S has also exactly 2 elements. I hope there is no confusion. So just read the question carefully, solve all the steps, and you'll get the answer. One more question. This is one inverse question. So how to find inverse of a function? Suppose you have y equals to 3x plus 1. All right. And finding the inverse is 3x equals to y minus 1, x equals to y minus 1 upon 3. Replace x with y becomes x minus 1 upon 3. So inverse of this function is this function. Everyone is clear how to do this? Write x in terms of y. Replace x with y. Is it clear, everyone, how to find inverse?
एक बार रिपीट
Yes.
कर देना,
Sorry, Aditya.
एक बार रिपीट कर देना कैसे बताया आपने?
ठीक है, ठीक है। हमारे पास कोई भी इक्वेशन होती है, वहां लिखा होता है y इक्वल्स टू सम फंक्शन ऑफ x। तो हम क्या करेंगे, x को निकाल देंगे y के टर्म्स में, ठीक है, बाकी सबको दूसरी साइड फेंक देंगे, ठीक है। तो हमने यहाँ 1 को इधर भेज दिया, फिर 3 को इधर डिवाइड कर दिया, तो x इक्वल्स टू y के फंक्शन में कुछ आ गया। अब मैंने आखिरी में कुछ भी नहीं करा, x की जगह y लिख दिया, y की जगह x लिख दिया। तो ये फंक्शन और ये फंक्शन इनवर्स फंक्शन हो जाएंगे, ठीक है।
Yes, sir.
So let's solve one question. Let f from r minus 3 to r minus 1 be defined by f of x equals to x minus 2 upon x minus 3. Let g is a function from r to r be given as g of x equals to 2x minus 3. Then sum of all the values of x for which f inverse x plus g inverse x equals to 13/2 is equals to ज्यादा नहीं सोचना, इनवर्स फंक्शन ऑफ f निकालो, इनवर्स फंक्शन ऑफ g निकालो, वैल्यू पुट कर दो, इक्वेशन सॉल्व कर दो, विल गेट द आंसर। खुद से ट्राई करेंगे ये आप?
Yes.
Okay. No, this sum is not -8. Let me solve this. For f of x, let's y is x minus 2 upon x minus 3. So yx minus 3y equals to x minus 2. Right. So this x will be here. So I will go to there. So taking x common, y minus 1 will be equals to 3y minus 2. X is 3y minus 2 upon y minus 1. Replace x with y. So y is 3x minus 2 upon x minus 1. This is inverse of f. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Next is y equals to 2x minus 3. So very simple. X is y plus 3 by 2. So y equals to x plus 3 by 2. Now what they are saying, addition of them should be 13 by 2. So 3x minus 2 upon x minus 1 plus x plus 3 by 2 equals to 13 by 2. All you have to do is now solve this equation, find the quadratic equation. All right. So have you got the quadratic equation from this?
Yes,
What is the quadratic equation?
sir. X square plus 8x minus 20 is equal to 0.
Okay. Actually, the quadratic equation is x square minus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. All right. There is your calculation mistake. All right, Aditya.
Yes, sir. I'm checking.
Okay. All right. Priya, you don't have to find the roots. They are asking the sum of roots, right? So sum of roots, we know minus b upon a. So minus 5 with a minus upon 1, 5. You do not have to solve this quadratic equation. All right.
Yes, sir.
Adriel, are you able to
Yes, sir.
understand everything? Okay.
Sir, the question is sum of all values of x, right?
Yes.
Then
See,
how did you?
how did we use this formula?
Yes, sir.
Sum of all values of x. That means you have to find a solution for this.
Yes, sir.
So in a quadratic equation, you'll get two roots, x1 and x2.
Yes, sir.
Now you have to find the sum. So x1 plus x2. And in class 10th,
Minus
you
one.
have already studied sum of roots formula is minus b upon a.
Okay.
And product of roots is c upon a. Right?
Okay. Okay.
I hope this is clear now.
Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you.
Okay. All right, Aditya. Okay, last question of today's class, and this is very simple question. Okay, they are simply asking find the inverse of this function. Why did the question go? Okay. Find the inverse of the function f of x equals to 8 to the power 2x minus 8 to the power minus 2x whole divided by 8 to the power 2x plus 8 to the power minus 2. X belongs to minus 1 to 1. You do not have to look at this. Not very important. Let finding the inverse. I just told you how to find inverse.
So we have to find the inverse here.
Yes, you have to find f of inverse x. All right. Let me tell you the options also, then you will get some idea. 1 upon 4 log 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. 1 upon 4 log e to the base 8 log 1 plus x upon 1 minus x. 1 by 4 log 1 plus x upon 1 minus x. 1 by 4 log e to the base 8 log e 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Alright. Do you guys want me to solve this?
Sir, 1.
Okay. All right, how to solve this? This is y equals to e to the power 2x minus 1 upon e to the power 2x upon e to the power 2x plus 1 upon e to the power 2x. All right. So we can simplify this as 8 to the power 4x minus 1 upon 8 to the power 4x plus 1. Okay, all of you are getting different answers. You can simplify this as, you can multiply this here. So y times 8 to the power 4x plus 1 equals to 8 to the power 4x minus 1. So y 8 to the power 4x plus y equals to 8 to the power 4x minus 1. This implies this y is that side, this comes to this side. Taking 8 to the power 4x common, y minus 1 equals to minus 1 minus y. 8 to the power 4x equals to, taking minus common, 1 plus y upon y minus 1. All right. So 8 to the power 4x equals to 1 plus y upon 1 minus y. This is clear?
So,
Now taking log 4x log 8 base e equals to log 1 plus y upon 1 minus y base e. Everyone knows how to take log?
yes, sir.
Okay. So x is 1 upon 4 log 8 base e, log 1 plus y upon 1 minus y. Now there is a property of log a base b. If you take reciprocal of this, base and exponent changes. All right. So x equals to 1 upon 4 log e base 8 log 1 upon 1 plus y 1 minus 1. So this is the option. All right. Everyone is clear about this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Adil, Aditya.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the types of questions you can face in functions: inverse, composite, 1, 1 on 2. I hope every concept is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the next class, we're going to deal with inverse trigo. All right. So please, for that, your homework from my side is few questions from this, and remember all the formulas of trigonometry and the graphs also. Basic trigonometry, right? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, all the formulas and graphs. All right, everyone?
Yes.
Okay.